Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you a 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. Welcome back to my channel. Everyone who watches this has one of these. But does everyone who watches my channel have the trouble getting this thing detached from this paper? If you're like I am, would you please let me know how you get this detached? I know what I'm going to do. I already began it before the video. But you know what? I'm the type of person who likes to read instructions, because you can be doing a job for like 20 years and not realize you've been doing it wrong for 20 years, or you were missing something that you didn't know for 20 years. I've seen it happen. I had a guy working with me. He had 40 years in the wallpaper business, and he asked me, what is woven material? So I don't assume anything. So I like to read this stuff, and you can already see there's interesting information. There's actually YouTube videos on how to use a tape measure. But anyway, I'm going to detach it just so that I can read it, so I don't have to destroy it. But how do you get this separated? Seriously, maybe it's on the package itself. I don't know, but this is what I've done to get mine detached. So I took a razor blade and I cut that plastic. I mean, this is hard to get off. And not only that, you get injured getting it off. So I'm loosening this very hard plastic, cutting it to just slice through it. Even after cutting it, I was still having a hard time. Okay, there we go. Well, I looked over the whole thing, and nowhere does it say how to get it detached. I think they do it on purpose. If you don't do it right, you can hurt your hand doing it. And if you don't know how to use a razor blade, you can actually cut yourself getting this open. So that's how I did it. Okay? What type of tape measure do you use?